It's 4 o'clock at morning. Sayang, where are you going?
I'm going to Jakarta.
Hello, morning, pagi.
Pagi.
A bluebird. Honey, safe flights to Jakarta, yeah? See you in 3 days, yeah? 3 days?
You. Yes.
Yeah, 3 days.
Now shorter. I'll be back soon.
Bye-bye, sayang. See you soon. Meanwhile, I come back to Sanur and perfect on time for the beautiful sunrise here in Sanur. Check this out. So beautiful, isn't it? So this is it. We went to Jakarta. It's beautiful sunrise. I'm on time. Usually I'm not waking that so early and Sanur is waking up. We also use the Bluebird this time, and I think I'm gonna start using Bluebird over the Grab nowadays. It's actually from the airport is cheaper than the Grab, and overall from Renon to airport it was only 100k, which is actually very cheap, I could say. They have a meter all the time now, and the nice new one with the touch screen. Everything is visible, all the registration and everything, so it's no more scams like it used to be. I just learned that today, so you learn something new every single day. But before I'm gonna go editing video and show you different locations. This is Sanur at morning 6:30. 10 minutes after the sun is on the horizon already. However, it's cloudy a little bit, but it's actually also very beautiful, I could say. It's 4 p.m. in Sanur, and this warung just behind me have a local Balinese music inside. If you're interested, just there is the Prama Sanur, and on the other side is Mercure. But what is more important than that is the another construction of some building over here, just between Mercure and Prama. Also here is little place where you could have a coffee or some snack. There's also the spa. There was actually empty piece of Prama hotel, but now somebody took it private owned, and meanwhile the front is Mercure. Also it's wind season, so great opportunity to kite surfing like these people doing over here. Actually beautiful weather today. Also today's video is a little bit about everything, so let's talk about the yesterday's earthquake. So when I was in Legian, have you watched yesterday's video? There was the earthquake 5.8 or 5.5, which is pretty normal to this part of the world, especially to Indonesia. Indonesia is part of the Ring of Fire. You can Google about that. Earthquakes here are very often and also pretty strong. However, nothing happened too much so far as I know. I didn't feel it at all. Seriously, guys, I don't know. I don't feel any earthquakes. Winnie was in the office and she was scared and she was running away. There are some documents from the shelf fall down, but that's pretty, that's it. Anyways, this is the Prama hotel and situation. There are some people actually, that's for sure, for everyone who are interested, and the bamboo bar also is open. Also second wing of Prama hotel is open again. Unbelievable, and there are even some guests staying already here enjoying the facilities of Prama hotel. Very legendary place in Sanur so far. Also I think over there is some refurbishment going on in this hotel, which is for sure very good. It's pretty old hotel, so refreshment is very important. Also in this short passage between Prama hotel and Porisantran there were the beautiful coconut trees, but they are gone. I don't know what's happened. Plane. Nice shot. There is some reconstruction, fixing the faults, and this is Porisantran hotel. The local guide trying to offer something to the local people. To the tourists actually, not to the local people. And the situation on the beach like this one. Earlier I was planning to go to the to Uluwatu, because the earthquake actually epicentrum was close to Uluwatu in the ocean, about 6 kilometers, but I feel a little bit pain on my feet, so decide something easy today. Tomorrow I will go probably, or after tomorrow. Also there is no potential tsunamis or stuff like this, guys, so don't you worry. Whatever the media in your country gonna say, that don't listen them, because the medias, like mainstream medias, they looking for making like attention overall. So yeah, meanwhile enjoy the beautiful, pretty nice and empty beach in Sanur. Also I was planning to fly a drone, but it's a little bit windy. However, I will try anyways. wasn't easy, but I made it for you guys. Hope so you enjoyed a little bit of the shots of cinematography from the sky of the Sanur. Also very interesting fact, there's very low tide. You saw the couple walking very far on the water, so basically you can walk 1 kilometer deep inside the ocean and the water should even be more deeper than 1 meter. So that's very interesting. This is the characteristic of the low tide in Sanur. So when it's low tide like this, it's very nice to enjoy the time in the water. You can swim peacefully, also kids friendly. Also there was the empty land between the hotels. This land has 7 hectares of land actually. The size and the price is 77 million American dollars, or in Australia, Canada, Singapore, it will be equivalent of plus minus $100 million. So it's pretty expensive, that's why it's empty forever. Also, we are looking for interesting people to talk, for longer talk on podcast. Guys, we're planning to run a series of podcasts, maybe once a month, once a week, depends how many of you guys or how many people would be interested. So if you are in Bali or you are Bali based, maybe that will be actually nice with the experts, or maybe you are a local person who speak English and you are not afraid to be on camera, let me know. Send me the message, text on the comment section, send me a message on Instagram, send me the email. We can make it generally freestyle talk, like a podcast. Have you ever watched, guys, the podcast somewhere? So that's the talk for half hour, 1 hour, 2 hours about the life. We can find some interesting topics. That will be also very interesting bonus additional thing on my channel, especially when we are living in Bali. Many things are repeated, obviously, right? Bali is a small island, we know that. Yeah, overall peaceful life is going on in Sanur. Yesterday I was in Legian. It was quite hectic, I could say. I hope so you enjoyed. Canggu, some of you were not happy from the video of Canggu, but Bali is Bali. Anyways, not much is going on in Sanur after that, I think. So I will see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.